Hi, welcome back you guys. For today's video, I'm going to be making some fried salmon with cream sauce and a side of veggies. Stay tuned. First things first, you guys, you want to season your salmon with salt and pepper front and back first. And then we're going to add the salmon rub. I'm going to fully coat it with this salmon rub here. Right now I'm going to be using this Cajun Bayou rub. Just something new I picked up at the store. We're going to try it. Pretty much any salmon rub will work okay. Stay tuned. Alright you guys, now once you've seasoned your salmon front to back, you want to go ahead and get you some breading mix. I have here our New Orleans style Louisiana fish fry. I'm going to use a bag of this and a little bit of cornstarch and maybe a little bit of flour and a little seasoning. So stay tuned. Alright you guys, let's go ahead and start by adding in some buttermilk and egg. Well, one egg to this. And then some buttermilk, and I'll also show you the rest. Alright you guys, I've added in the egg, just one egg. I'm going to add a cup of buttermilk. And now I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of, my son's in the background. I'm going to add a little bit of this spicy mustard to this, just about a tablespoon, and then some hot sauce. Alright you guys, once you stir in that egg with the buttermilk, and the little bit of that mustard, I am going to add just a tad bit of wine to this as well. You can use your wine of choice. I always like to use the Pinot Grigio when I cook. I will also be using that in the sauce as well, so stay tuned. Okay, adding a little wine to this. Alright, I have the grease nice and hot, you guys. Alright, so what we want to go ahead and do is start taking the salmon one by one. Going ahead and dipping it in the batter first, front and back. And then after you dip it in the batter, we're going to go ahead and dip it in that buttermilk and egg mixture. And then back in the batter again, and then we'll go ahead and put it in the grease. So stay tuned.